Hello, welcome to Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. So today we are going to discuss impact of jet on vanes apparatus in fluid mechanics and machinery lab. This experiment is used to determine the coefficient of impact jet on the vane combination by preparing the actual force with the theoretical force for stationary vanes of different shapes, that is hemispherical, flat, 60-degree inclined plates. The fluid comes out from a jet from the outlet of a nozzle which is fitted to the pipe through which the fluid is flowing under pressure. You can see this is the nozzle. You can just open this. Here you will be having a nozzle. So here you are going to fit different vanes, that is hemispherical, flat and 60-degree inclined plates that you are going to fit here, and the jet is going to just make an impact on that. This is the spring balance to calculate the force that is going to be impacted through the jet on that particular vanes, that is the blades that you are going to use. You have to adjust the spring balance to 0 always, and then you have to start the reading. This particular apparatus, it should be closed. Okay, so you can see the diameter of the jet is given as 6 millimeter for this apparatus. The density of water and diameter is already mentioned over here. You have the discharge tube, that means you are going to measure. So how much water is being discharged from this centrifugal pond. You have the control valve over here. You have the control plug valve on both the sides. You are going to control the jet by using this valve. You are going to open the valve as and when that particular jet is flowing through the vane. It is hitting the vane. This is the pressure that is going to be indicated. You have to consider the outer dial, that is kg per centimeter square. Okay, so here you are going to take the reading in terms of LPM for each and every nozzle, that is different plates. The jet impact of that jet is been found out. That means coefficient of that particular impact, that is the force exerted by the jet, which is obtained from Newton's second law of motion or from impulse momentum equation. In mechanics, Newton's second law states that the acceleration of a body is proportional to the net force acting on it, and it is inversely proportional to its mass. Whereas in mechanics, Newton's second law expressed as the rate of change of momentum of a body, and it is equal to net force acting on the body. Okay. You know about the momentum and force. We shall not go into the mechanics deeply. So the procedure is same. So we are going to connect the power cable. Make sure that the force indicator is showing 0. That is this one, the spring balance, as I told earlier. And then the delivery valve closed and the switch is on for the pump. So front transport cover, it is going to be tightly sealed. Whatever the transparent thing that you are going to see, it is tightly sealed. Then delivery valve is opened and we are going to adjust the flow rate on the rotameter. So this is the rotameter where you are going to measure the liters per minute. That is your flow rate. So actual force, that is head at a nozzle. These readings are tabulated and the experiment is repeated for different flow rate of water. We are going to tabulate for all type of vanes, and we are going to calculate theoretical force exerted on the vane for flat, hemispherical or inclined, that is 60-degree inclined. So jet velocity we are going to calculate, that is water discharge through the nozzle in meter cube per second divided by the area. Okay, then we are going to find out the coefficient of impact of jet, which is nothing but the ratio of actual force and theoretical force that is going to be exerted on the vanes. That is the impact that is going to happen due to flow of water on the vanes. Thank you.